It's a new 2018 Ram 3500. This 3500 was built for the jobs that demand more, tested for the days that make lesser trucks bow out, engineered for extremes. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo i6 engine, heavy-duty shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, pearl coat paint, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Take it for a test drive today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.